Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is special for you, so let's start. A warm welcome to my lovely viewers. I'm glad you are all here. So guys, welcome to my channel Norina with Decor, your favorite sport. Get comfy because this video began to start. A big hello to my amazing audience. Today we are talking about as different monochromatic ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes, with balloon decorations for baby shower, as well as birthday decoration ideas and anniversary ideas for wife and husbands. So guys, if you are new to my channel and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and you like my videos, so please press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing videos like this one. In today's video I will show you the most beautiful, latest and trendy collection of monochromatic ideas and decoration ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. Celebration is the time to renewal joy and celebrate, making it perfect. This occasion to refresh your home with the bright and festive decor. Whether you're perfect a traditional approach with pastel color and classic or more modern and elegant takes, there are countless ways to bring the spirit birthdays into your home, from stunning table setting and charming die crafts. This guide will explore to recreate ideas to make your celebration and birthday decoration ideas decor both stylish and festive. So guys, if you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it and you don't miss any of the amazing videos. All the videos and all the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful. So decorating is the art of decoration. Decoration is very important as it makes each and every occasion lovely. If there are children or here, they enjoy it to keep them organic and active. Also, all the family members get engaged into work during celebration or special occasions. Decorations help to create a festive and joyful atmosphere, enhancing the overall experience for participants. Decoration can hold deep cultural and historical, representing traditions, beliefs, and values passed down through generations. Decorations can foster a sense of community by bringing people together to participate in decorating or celebrating events. Decoration can also serve as a visual tool to education, helping to convey important to each other about different cultural and traditions. Thank you so much for your support and your love, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. So guys, please take care of yourself and the people around you.